Hello traders. Today we will dive into the world of binary options and analyze one of the most discussed strategies, the Martingale Strategy. This method attracts many with its simplicity and promise of quick results. But is everything so simple? Many people consider Martingale to be a ticket to success because it offers a systematic approach to managing bets. However, no less than a lot of voices argue that this is a direct path to failure due to high risks. So, what is the Martingale strategy really like? This is a mathematical approach that can lead to big wins or to even greater losses. Today we will analyze all the pros and cons so that you can make an informed choice. Are you ready? Then let's start our journey into the world of Martingale strategy. The basics of Martingale and the mathematics of Martingale. The Martingale strategy is a betting management method in which a trader doubles the bet after each losing trade, trying to recover losses and go into the black at the first winning trade. At first glance, this seems like a reliable way to guarantee profit, but it's not that simple. Let's look at the math. Suppose the probability of winning each trade is 50% if you start with 80 rupees and double the bet after each loss. Then the potential gain will always be 80. However, after the first loss, the bet will become 160, then 320, 640 and so on. The risk increases exponentially, but the potential gain remains constant. It will be easier to understand using a real example. If you have a budget of 10,200 rupees, you can afford 7 bet doubles 80 plus 60 plus 320 plus 640 and so on. 5,120 equals to 10,160. The probability that you will lose 7 times in a row is very small. However, if this happens, you will lose the entire budget. Throughout the previous paragraph, the Martingale strategy is attractive for its simplicity and apparent reliability. It is based on the assumption that after each losing trade, the probability of winning increases, and eventually the win will compensate for all previous losses. Plus, it will bring a small profit. This can be especially attractive in markets with high volatility, where the chances of a quick win are higher. However, failures in the Martingale strategy are often associated with the misunderstanding of probability and money management. The market is not obliged to follow the logic of after a series of losses. A win must follow, and the trader may not have enough capital to continue doubling bet indefinitely. In addition, many traders underestimate the psychological difficulty of maintaining a strategy after several large losses. Imagine that a trader starts with a deposit of 8,000 rupees with a first bet of 80 rupees and uses a Martingale strategy, doubling the bet after each losing trade. If the loss occurs 10 times in a row, the trader will lose 8,192 rupees, which exceeds the initial capital. The probability of such a losing streak may seem low, but it is quite real at a distance. Now let's look at my example of how I use this strategy on a real account. In the conclusion of this video, let's summarize and discuss how to use the Martingale strategy wisely and taking into account all the risks. My tips on using the Martingale strategy: Number 1. Start small. Don't risk large amounts at once. Start with small bets so that you can adapt to the strategy without serious financial losses. Number 2. Define your limit. Set a clear loss limit that you are willing to accept. This will help you to stop in time and avoid emotional trading. Number 3. Study the market. Understanding market trends can help you make better informed decisions rather than relying on luck alone. Binary option trading involves significant risk. The Martingale strategy does not guarantee success and can lead to rapid and significant financial losses. It is important to approach trading responsibly and remember that there is no universal strategy for everyone. Always keep in mind the possibility of losing your investment. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and use money management strategies. I hope these tips will help you use the Martingale strategy wisely and with caution. Remember that success in trading requires not only strategy but also discipline, patience, and constant learning. Good luck in the market and be responsible. By the way, do not forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. In order to receive exclusive materials and the latest news from the world of trading, also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put like and leave your comments under the video. Your opinions and suggestions help me get better. Thanks for watching this video and see you again on the channel.